Here's the reason why you should never trust carbon composition resistors in old amps. This should be 5.6K and now we are measuring 20K. The other one, it's okay, but this is dropping too much voltage. So on the plates, on the C node, I'm seeing 300 volts instead of the 420, 430 expected. So these should go immediately. Obviously everything else has been changed to high quality resistors. I just left those two to show you what happens with the voltages. I'm feeding 230 volts and we are seeing 460, 470 as expected on the first node. The next node should be a little bit lower, yes, and here we get 300 volts. So everything after this node has been considerably dropped. So yeah, the final preamp node is seeing 270. So the plate voltages on V1 will be too browned out at 160, which is not good. Everything else is fine. We just need to replace this and all will be fine. Happy chugging.